Welcome to our Decision Maker demo. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to create, score, and finalize a team decision using real-world criteria and options. Today, we're evaluating CRM platforms to determine which tool best fits our sales and customer support needs. Before we begin, let's briefly go over the different decision types available in Decision Maker. Basic, for recording already made decisions. It doesn't have importance since it is just a way of documenting already made decisions. General, this makes decisions based on an importance of 0 to 5, where 5 means that the criteria is the most important, and 0 means it is the least important. Must-have, for prioritizing tasks or requirements as must-haves, should-haves, could-haves, and won't-haves. Let's start by creating a new decision. For the title, we'll enter, select the best CRM platform for our team. In the description, we'll outline the purpose of the decision, set the status to creating, then move on to define your options. Now, let's add the CRM platforms we're considering. HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zoho CRM. You can search for existing options or create new ones. Next, define your decision's evaluation structure by creating categories and assigning criteria under each one. Category, features. This includes the essential capabilities every CRM must have. Contact and lead management, must have. Deal opportunity tracking, must have. Integration with email marketing tools, should have. Category cost. Here we'll assess how affordable and scalable each option is. Affordable pricing plan, must have. Category support. Finally, we'll evaluate the customer support experience. 24/7 customer support, should have. When everything is set, click Save Decision. Now, let's open a decision that's already in progress and begin scoring. We'll start by reviewing a few criteria together. Contact and lead management. HubSpot and Salesforce offer advanced segmentation and automation, earning high scores. Zoho performs well, though it's slightly less intuitive. Deal opportunity tracking. HubSpot stands out for its user-friendly pipeline tools. Salesforce goes further with more powerful customization. Zoho lacks some advanced automation. Integration with email marketing tools. HubSpot includes built-in marketing features. Salesforce and Zoho both rely on third-party integrations. Now begin filling in the scores for each option one by one. As you enter values, the fields will gradually populate. Continue until completed. And then click Save. Once all scores are submitted, Decision Maker automatically calculates the results. You can view total scores, see how each option ranked, and break things down by category or participant. In this example, HubSpot comes out on top, offering the best mix of pricing, features, and integration. With a clear, structured process, your team can make confident, data-driven decisions. Whether you're selecting software, prioritizing features, or evaluating vendors, Decision Maker brings clarity, consistency, and speed. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit redmoonsoftware.com and see how Decision Maker can help your team decide smarter.